Fix Windows cannot find regedit.exe error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run an antivirus scan. Method 2. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 3. Enable Registry Editor access in Group Policy Editor. Select the disabled option, and click Apply to save. Press the Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools Windows OK button, then exit Group Policy Editor and restart your PC. Method 5. Restore default registry values. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.